Hey, what's up everybody? We're here with the Blair Witch Trials. We're gonna go see if we can find ourselves the Blair Witch. I don't really know how that movie goes, so that's probably wrong. Okay, but on a serious note, we are going back. If y'all remember back to whenever we were doing the dishwasher refugees. So we're out here. Remember those cans we buried? We're gonna go check up on those and see how all that's going. So okay, so it sounds like everyone is howling back at the house. That's not too fun. And okay, story time with Mason apparently.
So I was up in the deer blind, and every once in a while, a dog would bark, and then all the coyotes and dogs would just start barking.
Okay, good story. I actually enjoyed it. All right, so right now, that's the moon. The moon is super bright and big tonight. It's dark, which is a little bit brighter, but we can see just fine because of the moon. And so we just got done with Christmas. That's good background. We just had a Christmas, so we got a bunch of presents. Mason, he got himself a new knife. Show it off. Ooh, it's nice. And so that's about our protection for us coming down here. Right there. Oh, you can't see it all. Okay, but right where I was pointing the camera, that's where we went and we climbed the trees last time.
I don't know how to climb a tree.
Last video, not the last video, but you get it. Last time we were out here, and we're walking in. A lot of trees out here. Super scary. It's kind of cold, not too cold. But if something else starts walking up around here, probably just gonna turn and run. We don't want this turned into really the Blair Witch Project, but we'll see what happens. So we're nearing it. We'll come back to you whenever we're starting to dig. So that's all for now. See, right now I turn on my headlamp over there. I think I see them. I think the cans are above ground. At least one of them is. Okay. Oh yeah, no. Oh, we use as a marker. Yeah, so that's our marker. See what we got. See what we got. Yeah, it's pretty well buried.
Well, we didn't bury it that way.
It's deep depression right there.
Fix it.
Dig it up.
I feel it.
Oh, there it is. There they are.
One of them says.
All these beauties.
That one. Is that
All
one?
these beauties. These are nasty.
Clean one out. This one, nice one.
So what are we gonna do with them?
Well, if you clean that off, then I'm gonna try to test my knife on it.
All right. Oh, the Mountain Dew or Dr. Pepper?
Mountain Dew.
Okay. Little spot right there. Clean that off. So what kind of attack are you going for here?
I'm gonna start out with like a little kind of bob of the blade, see if it just breaks in, then kind of maybe a little poke.
Alright, let's see that in action.
Okay, so you got some indentions there.
So this breaks. Oh,
okay, I poked
barely
it.
tapped it and fog came out. Great, let's get a close up on that fog. That little spray jet right there. So you got a second one. It's lost its energy.
Yeah, it's kind of compressing. So.
Let's see a full stab.
Okay.
Oh.
I want to get it completely sticky.
Okay, that's well and done. Not gonna drink it. So we're just gonna yeet this boy. It sounds like they're coming. We can hear everyone else. Sounds like they're trying to come over with us. So that was a big adventure for today. And I was destroying Dr. Pepper, so no prize for us. A little bit of mist coming out. Oh, it's got on my screen. So that was today. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, so somehow we got.
Poking knife.
Okay, they're calling for us. Probably got to do some like ceremonial stuff, like something. Right over there. That's where the dishwasher is. I still see it. We're gonna go. We're gonna head back.
We got one more.
Hurry up.
scared the Blair Witch.
Blair Witch.
Why would you speaking Vietnamese?
Alright, so they got fireworks going on right now and we're missing that. I don't know why they wouldn't just wait on us. Alright, we gotta get going, man. We gotta get going. Super crunchy for some great audio. That's one thing I've noticed with my videos is I'm always walking and doing something. And like, I'm always walking in leaves because, you know, outdoors is fun doors, am I right? And so, yeah, they're shooting off fireworks right now. We're missing that. Hey! Alright, so you got me. When you see the Blair Witch. Look at that. It's clean.
Look at the point. Like, no damage done to it.
Clean. Alright, so we're walking up to the house. We're shooting off fireworks, probably shot them all off. They can see our lights, so they'll see us coming. They just took a different route. So yeah, not much fun there. Can't get any video of fireworks. Oh, never mind. That was really big. Oh, and it just came down on them. That's nice. At least they're having fun.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh, it's so big!
Oh.
Wow. It was that, but it was
We got it.
on top of it. It's so pretty.
Those are not.
Bet you I can.
The last one.
Oh.
2, 3.
Ooh.
And the winner
It's
It's
you.
done.
knows the thing that's on fire on the table.
Mine's not doing much, it's just dying.
That's what we all are. Close to the kind of described you.
Just burn the grass.
You gotta be like me, so you gotta be the animal.
Hey!
I'm just trying to get it on YouTube. Oh, I bet you I can flip it and catch it.
I don't want to make smoke rings.
Fire's over here. Just
Let's flip it and catch it.
Oh!
Yay.
There's some water right here to put them in.
So I mean, that's about it for this video. It's right near Christmas time. So Merry Christmas. Mason, do an outro.
No.
It's good enough for this channel.
What if they had Red Dead, but it was Doom flavored?